Welcome, here I've got Alcatel 3X 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this settings bar and let's just simply go to the left to more so we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this button here from the left so we can open the advanced camera settings. And here in the video settings, at the second position we have the video stabilization, electronic image stabilization, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.